You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone post. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. FAOL, make my... Hello, sweeties. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing BeLuck hair, and it just comes in this satin sack. You get lashes, an elastic band, 2 wig caps. You get the wig itself with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. And this is a 4x4 closure wig. I did bleach the knots, and I used jam to braid down the hair. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my people, you're just nonstop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. But 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my mailbox full. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. You have to call as much as you do. I give them back to be through with you. And so what? My mama likes you. Like you. Now I guess you think I will too. Even if the folks say they like you too. I don't really care cause you a bugaboo. You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell me easy got to cut the phone post. Break my lease so I can move. You a bugaboo, a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. FAOL, make my email stop. You a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me? And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot. Then when I'm blocking your phone number, you call me over your best friend's house. And it's not hot that I can't even go out with my girlfriends without tracking me down. You need to chill out with that mess, cause you can't keep having me stressed. Cause every time my phone rings, it seems to be you, and I'm praying that it is someone else. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. You have to call as much as you do. I give them back to be through with you. And so what? So what? But now I guess you think I owe you. Even if the folks say they like you too. I don't give a damn cause you're a bugaboo. Tell MCI to cut the phone. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call. Make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. Call me on the phone, you bugging me. When you follow me around, you bugging me. Everything you do be bugging me. You bugging me, you bugging me. You call me on the phone, you bugging me. When you follow me around, you bugging me. Everything you do be bugging me. You bugging me, you bugging me.
I did use this jam to help me braid the hair and just make it look really sleek, because you know enclosures and frontals, they're like little flyaways, and so that just really helped out a lot. Like, it came out really good. They're not perfect, but yeah, you get where I'm going with this. And then I just straightened it out, because this is a body wave, so I straightened it out so that I could put my own wave in it. This is the Bedhead Wave Artist. I got it from Walmart a while back, and it just made it really fluffy. This hair is lightweight. It is true to length. It's 20 inches. So as you can see, it's mid-back. Like, really good length for 20 inches. In the front, this is where it's hanging. And remember, this is waves, so when it's longer, I mean, it's going to be longer, like, if you completely straighten it out. But this is a good little unit. I'm not mad at it. The knots started to lift immediately. Like, I was really surprised. But they were really fine, and you could tell that they were hand-tied knots, because they were just single one hair, and every knot was just one hair. So that was awesome. We love when they take time, don't we, on these wigs? And yeah, I don't have any problems. This isn't a natural black, and it's pretty dark. You know, I like to dye my wigs black, so whenever I don't have to go through that extra step, it is amazing. You know, sometimes they come in that like really funny brown color, and there's like no other choice but to dye them. But this one is in a really good shade. No like really light hairs in there, so I'm not gonna have to go in and dye it, so that's great. But yes, again, no complaints. I want to thank BeLuck Hair for sending this over so that we can play around with it and see what it was all about. I want to thank you guys for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell so you know when I'm putting up more affordable hair content for you guys. And until next time, stay sweet. It's not hot that you be calling me stressed.